Hello parents and students, welcome to lesson 23 in unit 3 of our classwork. Today we're working on factors again, but this time we're going to be using division. Students can use either the dot method or the area model. I will be focusing specifically on area model within this lesson because it's going to be a lot easier for students to do. So let's start off with is 2 a factor of 84. Well, first off, 84 is a composite number, which means it can be divisible by 1 in itself plus more numbers. So we already know that we could have possible more factors than just 1 in itself. So let's look. What we're going to do is we're going to divide. So this is 2 on the outside, and this whole box is 84. So we're going to take our 2. We're going to go back to our area model. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 20, 40. 2 times 30, and we're going to keep going until we're above 80. Oops. So 2 times 40, which is 80, so we're getting close. 2 times 50 is 100, so that's too much. So we're going to stop right here at 50. So we're going to start with our 40, 2 times 40, and we're going to put our 40 up top. 2 times 40 is 80, so we're going to take our 84, and we're going to subtract our 80 from it to give us a total of 4 left over. So we're going to put 4 in our next box. How many times can 2 go into 4? It can go into it twice, so 2 times. So we're going to add those 2 together, which gives us our answer of 40 plus 2, which is 42. So is 2 a factor of 84? We can see that there is no remainder, and since there's no remainder, that means 2 is yes, it is a factor of 84. So when we do division, if there is no remainder, then it is a factor of that number. Okay, so let's go ahead and we can do 2 more. We'll do C and E. I'm going to erase D and F to give us a little more room to work. Okay, so 3 is a factor of 84. Draw our area model, 384. So we're going to do 3 times 10, which is 30. 3 times 20, 60. 3 times 30, 90. So we can see that that's too much, so we're going to go back to our 20. Okay, so 20, that's 60. So we're going to take our 84, subtract 60 from it, which gives us 24 left over, so 24 comes under here. How many times can 3 go into 24? 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21, 24, 8 times. None remaining, so we add up 20 plus 80, or 20 plus 8, excuse me, which gives us 28. None remaining. So yes, it is. Yes. 3 is a factor. Okay. So let's take a look at the last one. E. Okay. 6, 84. 6 times 10, 60. 6 times 20 equals 120. So that's too much. So we're going to stick with 10. 60, 84 minus 60 is 24. How many times can 6 go into 24 without going over? 4 times exactly. 10 plus 4 equals 14. 14. No remainders. So yes, since there is no remainder, it is a factor. If you had a remainder, any remainder 1 or more, your answer would be no. It would not be a factor of that number. Okay? So only if it goes in evenly. So in G here, G is that example. If we drew it, 584. We did our thing. It would be 10, 50, 84 minus 50. That would give us 34 left over. You go up to 30, which there, 6. would have 4 left over, so your answer would be 16, because you would add up 10 plus 6 with a remainder of 4. So is it a factor of it? The answer is no. Okay, since we have this remainder here of 4, it is not a factor of 84. 5 is not a factor of 84. So hopefully this helps you understand what we've been doing with factors and kind of give some clarification for the students' homework. Thanks, and have a great day.